our 18 by 18 inch sink with left compartment drain board and faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length from left to right, we have 38.25 inches, a depth of 23.5 inches, and overall height, we have 43 inches tall. Measurements for the sink itself will be 18 inches in length, 18 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. For the faucet, the spout will measure 8 inches, and the left to right mount will be 9 inches. Measurements for the drain board will include 16 inches in length by 20 inches in depth. Included will be the strainer along with the faucet to accommodate this compartment sink. Coming to the left will be the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.